home tours.
All right, Adam, you see building on the left?
Is that familiar software?
Oh yeah, the locked and loaded.
This is the elevator.
That's the place I accidentally crashed my car into.
And then I should model like.
That's where you ran me, and my car ended up somehow inside of the building. And I was just kind of there, just like sitting there.
It's a Schindler.
Do you want to see me get an ambulance inside a building in Greenville?
I've seen you do that. Anyways, let's see. We have a motor. The Schindler HT.
Why am I doing that? I don't like that. I don't like HT motors.
Motor. What do you have against the motor?
It's boring. It's like the normal epic motor.
The normal.
Yeah. What about the fancy, schmancy, unusual, abnormal motor?
Yes. Oh, what about the one with the replaced motor?
What about a motor that's in E6 at 9?
Oh gosh.
That would be amazing. I would love that.
Wait, you can't hear that, can you?
Hear what?
Exactly. I just made the loudest sound on planet Earth.
Well, obviously it wasn't because I couldn't hear it.
Exactly.
There it goes.
It's noise suppression.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
No, but it's
I
just
found
noise
this diamond
suppression.
alert. What the frick?